Okay, guys, as I have said it before, now we're gonna start with how to become an affiliate with clickbank. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Google browser or whatever browser you use. We're gonna type in click magic. Once you're already inside click magic, you can go where it says create an account. You can go ahead and click where it says create an account, and then from there you're gonna have to go ahead and fill out all the application. It's totally free. They don't charge you for anything. They don't even charge you for the products that you're gonna be promoting from inside the clickbank back office. So clickbank, it's a high demand uh, marketplace inside the internet for affiliates and vendors to sell their products. But in this case, if you are just an affiliate, you don't have to have a product in order for you to promote it and start making money online. Um, so once you already have filled out the all the information that you need in order to become an affiliate and create your back office account, once you're already done with that, we're gonna go where you're gonna log in. Of course, I'm not gonna fill out all the information with you. That's gonna take me a while. But let's assume we have already done that. We're gonna once once you have already done filling out the application in ClickBank, you're gonna get a notification email. Click on the email that you have received if it's asking you to confirm the account. Okay, if not, you can just go back to Google browser again and log into your ClickBank account after you had already filled out the application. Okay, so here we go. Once you have logged in inside the ClickBank back office, you're gonna find these buttons right here on your left side. You see some icons here. You're gonna click on this one, and you're gonna see the market inside the ClickBank account. So there's so many options, guys, as you'll see. These are the options. Let's say if you guys wanna grab a product from cooking, you'll click on cooking. If you wanna grab a product for fitness, you will click on, as you see, there's games, health, there's a lot of things that you guys can sell. And once you click on the product that you want to sell, it's gonna give you excuse me, it's gonna give you the options, and it's gonna tell you how much it's going to. Let's say if you promote this item right here, it tells you that it's going to give you $74.97 to promote it for each single sale, and you get 70% of the sales. Right here explains you everything, all the priorities that you get by selling the product, right? So anyway, so let's say you want to promote this one right here on top, right? We're gonna click on it, and then there's gonna, it's just follow the steps, guys. It's not so complicated. So we're gonna click on generate hub link. It's asking me for my account, it's nickname. Mm. So since I just created this account, I do not know my nickname, but we're gonna go back again to the account. And I think it's just Look guys, if I'm having so much trouble. Okay, so let's pretend that let's pretend you want to promote this, right? Okay guys, I don't know why I'm having trouble getting my link, but anyways, once you have already create your your clickbank account, you're gonna go back to your account and look for the nickname in order for you to create the hopper link in order for you to promote it, right? So that is it guys, it's not too much. Once you do this, you just find your nickname, type it up here, and then go to where it says generate hop link. And once, as you see, it's already generated up here. So let's say this is my affiliate link, the link that I'm going to promote. We're gonna click that, we're gonna copy that, and we're gonna open that on any tab. We're gonna click and we're gonna paste, and then we're gonna click on this. Oh, it didn't work. Anyways, but you guys get it, right? So once you guys put your nickname on this little box right here, you guys are gonna go and create a link. And then, so once you generate hop link, it's gonna give you a link right here, and whenever that link shows up, you can go ahead and grab it and paste and copy and paste that on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or your social medias in order for you to create sales, right? But if you want to upsell and you don't know how to get traffic to your link or website or blog, I'm going to share a link with you in order for you to get the skill sets and all the strategies that you need to sell your product or whatever it is that you're selling right online. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, leave some comments. If you want me to teach you something else that you want to learn, let me know below this video. Okay, thank you so much.